Have you ever wondered what happens after life ceases to exist? What transforms a once vibrant living organism into a part of the earth again? The answer lies in a fascinating process called decomposition. Decomposition, in its basic sense, is the process in which organic substances are broken down into simpler organic matter. It's a vital part of the circle of life, returning essential elements back to the environment. This process follows 5 distinct stages: fresh, bloat, active decay, advanced decay, and dry remains. The first stage, known as the fresh stage, begins immediately after the heart stops beating. Oxygen is no longer circulating through the body, and cells begin to die. Enzymes start breaking down cells from the inside, a process known as autolysis. During this stage, the body undergoes rigidity, known as rigor mortis, which disappears as decomposition progresses. As we move to the second stage, bloat, gases produced by bacteria in the body cause it to swell. These gases give off a strong odor, attracting scavengers and insects. Blowflies in particular lay eggs that hatch into maggots, which feed on the body's tissues. The third stage, active decay, is when things get really interesting. The body begins to lose mass as maggots and other insects consume the tissues, and the body starts to collapse in on itself. This stage is the shortest but most dramatic part of decomposition. The fourth stage, advanced decay, sees the body continue to collapse. The rate of decay slows down, but insect activity is still high. The remaining flesh is removed, and the body begins to dry out. Finally, we reach the dry remains stage. At this point, all that's left are dry skin, cartilage, and bones. Over time, these too will break down, returning to the earth and completing the cycle of life. In essence, decomposition is a vital process in the circle of life. It may seem gruesome, but it's nature's way of recycling. Through decomposition, nutrients are returned to the soil, providing sustenance for future generations of life. This process is a stark reminder of the transient nature of life, the impermanence of existence, and the interconnectedness of all living things. So the next time you see a fallen leaf slowly fading into the soil, or a piece of fruit turning bad, remember, it's all part of the grand, beautiful, and utterly essential process of decomposition.